Good morning, student. In the last classes, we are seeing the chapter three-dimensional geometry, under which we are solving the board examination questions. We have seen some questions based on it, plane and straight line. Now today we will take some other question on board examinations, which are important from examination point of view. So student, let's see. Our first question is, find the equation of line passing through the point P whose coordinate is 4, 6, 2, and the point of intersection of line x minus 1 by 3 is equal to y by 2, which is equal to z plus 1 by 7, and the plane x plus y plus z is equal to minus 8. X plus y minus z is equal to 8. So student, we have to find the equation of line which is passing through this point and intersection point of this line and plane. Okay, so suppose that this is our plane whose equation is x plus y minus z is 8, and the line is passing through the point P whose coordinate is 4, 6, 2, which intersect the plane here, and another line which is passing through here whose equation is given x minus 1 by 3, y by 2, z plus 1 by 7. Okay, student, so we have to find this point which is A for beta 1. Okay, student, so we have to find the equation of this line PAB. Okay, our target is to find the equation of line PAB, which is also passing through the intersection of this line and this plane. Okay, student, so for this what we will do, we will first find the intersection point. We have to find this intersection point. If we are able to find this intersection point, then we can find the equation of line passing through two point. So because first point we have to given, and we have to find out this intersection point of the line and plane from where this line PAB is passing. Okay, so we will find first what this point of intersection of this line and plane. Okay, student, so let's start. We have given equation of line is given, which is x minus 1 by 3, y by 2, z plus 1 by 7. This is the equation of line. Okay, this line. Okay, so we will take any general point on this line which is equal to what? We are considering the constant lambda. So our x will be what? 3 lambda minus 1, plus 1, and y is 2 lambda, and z is 7 lambda minus 1. Okay, student. Now we are seeing that, student, this line is passing through which point? The intersection point A. Okay, so it will satisfy the equation of line. It means that if we are writing here that point A, alpha, beta, gamma satisfy the line 1, so it will, we can write alpha minus 1 by 3, beta by 2, and gamma plus 1 by 7. Okay, so this will change. So alpha will be what? 3 lambda plus 1, beta will be what? 2 lambda, and gamma will be what? 7 lambda minus 1. Okay, if we are not taking here this So we can write also here. Okay. So this can be written in this form. Okay. So no need to write here. So this text, suppose that this is our alpha lambda. Okay. So our coordinate of point A is alpha, beta, gamma, which is this. Now students, this point is where in the plane also. So it will satisfy the equation of plane also. So we can write point A satisfy the equation of plane. Okay. So equation of plane will be what, student? So equation of plane will be x, which is alpha, plus beta minus gamma, which is equal to 8. Okay. So this is the equation of plane. And now in this equation we will write this value of alpha, beta and gamma, and we will find out our lambda from here, student. Okay. So write the value of alpha, which is 3 lambda plus 1, beta, which is 2 lambda, and gamma, which is 7 lambda plus 1. Okay. So this is 3 lambda and 2 lambda, 5 lambda, so minus 2 lambda, and this is plus 2, which is 8. 2 lambda is 6, lambda is minus 3. Okay, student. So from here we are getting our lambda is minus 3. So coordinate A alpha, which is 3 into minus 3 plus 1, 2 into minus 3, 7 into minus 3 minus 1, which is minus 9 plus 1, minus 8, minus 6, and minus 22. So our coordinate is minus 8, minus 6, minus 22. The coordinate of point A is our what? Minus 8, minus 6, minus 22. Okay, student. Now we can find the equation of line. Equation of line PAB will be what? X minus x1, 4 by x2 minus x1, minus 8 minus 4, y minus y1, y2 minus y1, minus 6 minus 6, z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Okay. Now this is the required equation of line, student, and we will solve it and get our result. Okay. Let's x minus 4 by minus 12, y minus 6 by minus 12, z plus 22 by minus 24. So x minus 4 by 12 means we can write 1 by 2. So this is the required equation of plane. Okay, student. Here is, sorry student, here is 2 which is passing through. Okay, it will be, because our point is 2, so it will be what? Z minus 2. So let's see once again, student. We have to given a point and we have to find the equation of plane line which is passing to this point and the intersection of this line and plane. So this is the point passing to this point A and B. We have to find out the equation of this line, and given that this line is passing to the intersection of this line and plane. Okay, whose equation is this and equation of plane is this. So now if I find out, so the equation of line is what? This line is given. Now we have taken that the intersection point of these two lines and plane is what? Our point A, whose coordinate is alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, so alpha beta gamma is there. So alpha beta gamma satisfied equation of this. So we write alpha minus 1 by 3, beta by 2, gamma plus 1 by 7, which is equal to lambda. Okay, so alpha is equal to. Now we take the general point on this line. Okay, so it will be what? Alpha, which is 3 lambda plus 1, beta 2 lambda, gamma 7 lambda minus 1. Now this point is satisfied the equation of this plane also. Okay, because this is the intersection point of line and plane, so it will satisfy the plane also, satisfy the line also. Okay, student. So we satisfy this with this coordinate. So we write alpha plus beta minus gamma is equal to 1, and we are seeing that we have find already alpha, beta, gamma. We will put the value here and get our lambda, which is equal to minus 3. Now substitute the value of lambda in this alpha, beta, gamma. We get the coordinate A, which is minus 8, minus 6, minus 22. Now after getting the coordinate this A, and we have already given the coordinate P, we can find the equation of required line, which is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1, which is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1, which is equal to z minus z1 upon z2 minus z1. Student, now we put the values and get our required equation of line. I hope you understand, students. Okay, let's see another questions. Next question is, student, find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line passing through the point 2, 1, 3. Okay, we have to find the equation of a line, vector equation and Cartesian equation, which is passing through 2, 1, 3 and perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to x minus 1 by 1, which is equal to y minus 2 by 2, which is equal to z minus 3 by 3, and the line x by minus 3, x by minus 3 and equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 5. Okay, student. So we have to find the equation, vector equation and Cartesian equation of line which is passing through this point, which is perpendicular to this line and this line. So we will write equation of line passing through P2, 1, 3. Okay, so we write x minus x1 by A, y minus y1 by B, z minus z1 by C. Okay, so this is the equation of line which is perpendicular to the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so we write equation 3 is perpendicular to equation 1. So you know that if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then we know that the condition a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0, student. So we write a plus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. This is equation number 4, and we write 3 is perpendicular to 2. This 3 is perpendicular to 1 and this 3 is perpendicular to 2. So we can write again A1, A2. So minus 3A plus 2B plus 5C is equal to 0. So this is equation number 5. Okay student. So 4 and 5 are the equation. Now we will solve the equation 4 and 5 and we will take the value of A, B, C from here and put in equation number 3. Okay. So from 4 and 5, solving 4 and 5 we write A. So 10 minus 6 and B. So minus 9 minus 5 and C 2 plus 6. Okay student. So from here we get the value of A, B, C. So this is A by 4 and B by minus 14 and C by 8. Okay. So take this is equal to lambda. So A will be what? 4 lambda. B is equal to minus 40 lambda and C is equal to 8 lambda. So from here we are getting our value A, B, C. Now we put the value of A, B, C in equation number 3. So equation of line is what? X minus 2 by A, y minus 1 by B is z minus 3 by C. We put the value of A, B, C, which is 4 lambda, and y minus 1 by B, which is minus 14 lambda, and 8 lambda, z minus 3 by 8 lambda. Okay student. Now we will remove lambda from here and get our required result. Okay. X minus 2 by 4, y minus 1 by minus 14 and z minus 3 by 8. This can be written as also 2 minus 7 and z minus 3 by 4 student. So this is the Cartesian equation of the plane which is passing through this point and perpendicular to the line first and line second. Okay. Now student, we will write its vector equation. So vector equation is R is equal to A, which is 2i plus j plus 3k plus lambda 2i minus 7 j plus 4k. Okay student. So the vector equation of this line is 2i plus j plus 3k plus lambda 2i minus 7j plus 4k. I hope you understand students. Let's see once again what we have done in this question and what we have to given. So students, we have to given a point. We have to find out the equation of line from that point which is perpendicular to the line first and line second. Okay student. So our equation of line passing through that point will be what? X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. This is equation number 3. Now we have to find the value of a, b, c. This is okay. When we will find the value of a, b, c, we will put here and we will get our result. For find out the value of a, b, c, we have to given some information that this line is perpendicular to this line and this line. So we use the condition of perpendicularity of two lines. And this condition is what? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equal to 0 students. So we write A1, A2. So this is A into 1 plus B into 2 plus c into 3. So we can write a plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, and this is equal to equation number 4. Now this line again perpendicular to this line 2. So we apply again a1, a2, b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is 0. So we write minus 3a plus 2b plus 5c is equal to 0. Now we have equation number 4 and 5. Okay, student. So we will find out the solution of equation number 4 and 5. So solving these two equations we are getting applied. We are applying here cross multiplication method. So this is cancel multiplication by 5 into 2 minus 2 is 6 and b minus 9 minus 5, and this is cancelled 2 plus 6. Now from here student we are saying a is 4 lambda, b is minus 14 lambda, and c is 8 lambda. Okay. Now we put this value of a, b, c in equation number 3 here. We are getting this, and divide in the multiply in the whole equation by lambda. Our lambda will be removed from each terms. Okay. So we get x minus 2 by 4, y minus 1 by minus 14, z minus 3 by 8. Okay, student. Now we will divide this, multiply this with 2, we get this result, and this is our Cartesian equation of the line passing through this point, which is perpendicular to this line and this line, and its vector equation will be what? R is 2i plus j plus 3k, because the points are 2, 1, 3. Okay, so we write 2i plus j plus 3k, and the direction is 2i minus 7j plus 4k. And you know that vector equation of a line is r is equal to a plus lambda b, where a is the point by which that line is passing and b is the direction. Okay, direction ratio. Okay, so we can write it. So I hope you understand, students. Now we see another question, student. Our next question is find the distance of the point P, which is 659. Find the distance of the point P from the plane determined by the point A, B, C. A is 3 minus 1, 2. And B is 5 to 4, and C is minus 1 minus 1, 8. Okay, so 6. So student, we have to find the distance of this point from this plane, which is passing through these 3 points. So first of all, we will find out the equation of plane passing through these 3 points. So we will write equation of plane passing through 3 points is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, student. So this is the equation of plane passing through 3 points, and the 3 points are x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. Now put all the values. X minus x1 is 3, x2 5 minus 3, minus 1 minus 3. Okay, y minus y1, y1 is plus 1, y2 2 plus 1, y3 minus 1 plus 1. Okay, z minus z1 which is 2, z2 4 minus 2, 6 minus 2 which is equal to 0 student. Now the equation of plane is x minus 3, 2 minus 4 and x minus 3, 2 minus 4, y plus 1, 3, 0 and z minus 2, z minus 2, 2, 4, this is equal to 0. Okay student. Now we will expand it and find our equation of plane which is 12 minus 0 minus y plus 1 8 plus 8 plus z minus 2 0 minus plus is equal to 0. So this is cancelled. 12 minus 0, this is 4 to the 8 plus 8 and this is now x minus 3 multiplied by 12, so 12x minus 36 and minus 16y minus 16 plus 12z minus 24 is 0. So 12x minus 16y plus 12z is minus this is equal to 0 student. Okay. Now dividing by 4, we get 3x minus 4y plus 3z minus 4 and 4 9 36. So we get 3x minus 4y plus 3z minus 19 is equal to 0. Now student, this is the required equation of plane which we have to find out. And now we have to find in this question the distance of the point P from this plane. Okay, we have to find the distance. So distance from point 6, 5, 9 to the plane 3x minus 4y plus 3z minus 19 is equal to 0. Okay, so we will write the distance is equal to what? Ax1, so 3 into 6, by1 5, 3z1 minus 19 by under root a square which is 9, p square minus 4 square plus c square 9. Okay, now we will solve it and get 18 minus 20 plus 27 minus 19 by under root 9 plus 16 plus 9 which is what? 7 and 8 15 and 2 and 1 3 and 4 minus 9 and 3 which is under root 25 and 9 which is 34. Okay student, so we are getting what? We are getting 6 by 34. So this is our distance which is from point P to the plane is 6 by under root 34. I hope you understand students. Let's see once again. This is our point from which we have to find the distance of the plane which is passing through the point A, B, C. So first of all we have find out the equation of plane. So we know the formula of equation of plane passing through 3 points is x minus x1, x2 minus x1, x2, x3 minus x1, y minus y1, y2 minus y1, y3 minus y1, z minus z1, z2 minus z1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0, student. Okay. Now we will put all the values of x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z3, z2, x3, y3, z3 and expand this determinant, and after calculation we are getting our equation of plane is 3x minus 4y plus 3z minus 19 is equal to 0, student. Okay. Now from this plane, now we will find the distance of the point from this plane. We know the formula ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d by under root a square b square plus c square. Okay, so we will write the values here. Okay, and get our required result, which is 6 by root 34 unit. I hope you understand, friends. Okay, thank you.